Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your credit card records using Evernote step by step clearly. Open the Evernote app on your device. If you don't have Evernote, download it from your app store and create an account. Log in to your Evernote account. Navigate to the Notebook section. Create a new notebook named Credit Card Records. Click on the New Note option to start documenting your credit card information. In the note, enter the name of the credit card. Add the card number, expiration date, and security code. Include the name of the financial institution that issued the card. Optionally, you can take a photo of the card for visual reference. To add a photo, click on the camera icon and capture an image of the card. After taking the photo, it will automatically be added to your note. Make sure to enter any additional notes regarding the card. Use tags to categorize the note, such as credit card or financial records. You can also set a reminder for when your payment is due. After completing the note, click Save. Repeat these steps for any additional credit cards you want to back up. You can also use the search function in Evernote to easily access your records. Regularly review and update your credit card records as necessary. Ensure that you use Evernote's security features to keep your information safe. Consider using a strong password for your account to enhance security. Your credit card records are now safely backed up in Evernote. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.